This is illegal. This action of confiscating our supplies is illegal. Dahil hindi naman po talaga dapat ginagawa yan in the international order. You're not supposed to confiscate the supplies of another country, even in war. No? Sa gera, kung minsan ay pagka supplies na yan, food supplies and even medicines, no? Usually the adversaries would allow food supplies and medicines to pass through for humanitarian reasons, no? For humanitarian reasons. So again, that is illegal. We have reported this already to our Department of National Defense. We have provided the information to the Department of Foreign Affairs. So we have done our part. It's up to DFA now whether they're going to file a protest for this action, illegal action that was done by the Chinese Coast Guard.
Sir, lumalabas din na parang we avoided na yung sea, yung supplying by sea, pero nag-airdrop tayo, pero parang ayaw nilang panampasin.
Yes.
Kahit ng airdrop.
Alam mo, yun na nga, we did that because we believe that we have to perform our missions in a peaceful manner, no? Kaya nga naisip na natin na mag-airdrop na lang at para walang resistance, wala na yung harassment na nangyayari sa dagat, no? Pero still, nakita niyo sa video, ganun pa rin eh. Ganun pa rin. Ayaw tayong tantanan. So we really have to assert our sovereignty in the area.
Thank you very much.